The society that we live in today is made up of exhilarating changes. A world where millions of changes take place within a moment require constant improvements, efficient solutions, and bigger advancements to keep the society progressing. This demands someone to come forward and mark the way ahead. For all of you facing the challenges, for all of you who is about making a difference, this is for you. Why does she teach? How does he manage? What makes them work hard? Does he not feel sleepy? Why does she not waste time? Do they get tired? Why do they keep going? Or why do they not give up? Why do people, entrepreneurs, do what they do? Money, recognition, fame, power. No, it's the flair that drives them through all the ups and downs amongst all the difficult times. When there isn't a way ahead, they figure out how to move ahead. They keep going on and on and on. Not everybody sees the potential. Not everybody understands it. Not everybody wants to put the effort. Not everybody wants to go all in. Not everybody wants it. Like you. Because you somehow see it and know what to do. Because you initiate, invent, design, build, assemble, challenge, explore, solve, manufacture, serve, expedite, perform, innovate, lead, persevere, create, and disrupt. You know you can do it because you dare. Now that's rare. Let's together celebrate and support that rare quality in you and all those around you. Welcome to the land renowned for its immense knowledge, innovation, wisdom, and enterprise. Welcome to Vibrant Gujarat Startup and Technology Summit 2018. We welcome you to celebrate the vibrant you.